back to my channel. I just wanted to get on real quick and share with you this super cute little, I call it empowerment booklet or empowerment album that I made from one sheet of 12 by 12 paper. I actually used the Teresa Reflections paper collection and these die cuts. That's where this flower is from. If you follow Teresa on Facebook, she does live workshops several times during the week. And I will link down below the video where she shows how to make this booklet. But I just wanted to share this with you. So you can see I'm really excited. This is the first time I've done something like this. I mean, I have made, you know, in my wedding planning business, invitations, place cards, menus, table numbers, but I don't think I've ever made something like this that, I mean, it really came out so cute, and I'm so proud of it. Anyway, this is one piece of 12 by 12 paper, and I just put this little clip here to kind of hold it all together. And it has here, I am the CEO of my life. And you open it up, and it has all these little empowering messages. This one says girl with goals. And you flip it over, and I added a photo, stay focused, goals. I got there. I added this little journaling card that says happiness is here to stay. This one here, you should just go for it. And on the flip side, I added another photo, a photo of my planner. It says, you got this, you go girl. And this other little journaling card that says, don't let them tell you it can't be done. So that's one part. Then this part here is a little tag, which again, in the video, Teresa will show you how to make all this, but this was a tag that I had. This little pocket, you know, she'll let you know whether you can either make it as a pocket or just use it as a regular page. But this is a tag, and I use this picture of my planner, and I put here, stay positive. And on the flip side, hopefully you can see that, and there's a little bit of foil. But it says, top priority, I am unstoppable, fierce, strong, empowered, stay ambitious. 24/7, heart this. So that's my little tag, and there's a little flap here where I put it in. It goes right here. And then I also have on this side another little pocket. This one has put your heart in it. And on the other side, I added a photo. This one says be fearlessly authentic. I also added another photo, note to self, never look back, dreamer, love. And this one, make today count. And again, a picture of my planner with some washi tape as well. So this is just, like I said, this is just a little craft project that I wanted to try to do. And I absolutely love the way it came out. You can see here, there's a little pocket, and this is where I put the tag. Right in here. It stays glued together. And I think this is so adorable. It came out so cute. I'm very, very happy with it. And there you go. And that's it. Absolutely love this.